Hey guys, this is Ken with Total Quality Painting. We just got another box here, package from Erecta-rack. They heard we were gonna spray some doors, so they decided to send us over something. So let's check it out. We have a test door set up, and I'm going to go ahead and install these plastic posts. These are what catches on the door here, or on the drying racks. It's also what your door is going to stand up to, or on rather, and we're going to install those right now. So we showed you how to install the plastic posts that go onto the end of the doors. They also work when you're standing up the doors, and when you're standing up the doors, they have these brackets here, and these are metal, and they have these grooves that the bracket will lock into your post, and that's not going anywhere. All right, so we have our plastic posts installed to the ends of our doors. So we have 4 on here, and this smooth cutout fits perfectly into the drying rack. So you can stack multiple doors up here, but we've just got this one set up so we can go ahead and spray it, and it's at the perfect height. We got our door sprayed. Super easy to install, super easy to maneuver the doors around, standing up like this as well as laying down. I don't really have a preference to which one I would do, whether it's laying down or standing up. The only thing I could say is maybe if you were going to lay them down, you should probably have 2 people. That way you could flip them. But overall, just an amazing product, super easy to use. You can see these things are super sturdy, they're not going anywhere. And yeah.